Did you know English has 20 vowel sounds, not just 5 letters? Let's understand them through phonetics. These 20 vowels are divided into 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthongs. Further, these 12 pure vowels divided into 7 short vowels and 5 long vowels. These 12 vowels are also called monophthongs. These include short vowels and long vowels, depending on how long the sound is held. There are also 8 diphthongs, where the tongue moves from one vowel position to another within a single sound.